What's up everyone? Welcome to my channel. I'm Vicky and today's video is very different from what you see on my channel, but it's a very exciting one. So in today's video I will attempt to do some DIY Easter bath bombs. If you want to see how I fail or how I succeed, keep on watching and remember to subscribe, smash a huge thumbs up, and without further ado, let's get into the video! So for these bath bombs I will need like lots of stuff. So what do I have here is a couple of plasticky Easter eggs. The next thing that I will need is a couple of food coloring. So I picked up in natural green, another one in natural blue, and another one it's in natural pink. All of them from Morrison's. Next I will need like tons of essential oils. I have here pure essential oils like peppermint, lavender, a couple of jasmine. They're from a brand called Mi Aroma. I will need some bicarbonate of soda, some coconut oil, and lots of other stuff. I'll write down in the description everything you need for these DIY bombs. So we know that all the bloody bath bombs are freaking expensive, especially the ones from Lush. I mean, a $5 for a bath bomb, that's a rip-off. So that's why I thought, like, why not try to do my own ones? Because I don't think it's actually a problem. I mean, everything I have here was basically ordered from Amazon and they're like very cheap, so less than 10 quid I've got all the ingredients that I need. This recipe, yeah, it feels like a recipe with so many ingredients. So this recipe I found it on Pinterest, so yeah, I hope it will be nice. I mean, I'm praying it will be nice because I've never did any DIY in my entire life. So guys, please be patient with me and don't judge too harsh. So yeah, let's get started. First of all, I got a big bowl. So here I will mix all of my dry ingredients. So I'll start up with 1.5 cup of bicarbonate soda. Watch me failing, yeah? In this big thing. Whoopee! Okay, wait, I already failed. I actually needed to add one of these ones, which is like 1 whole cup, and I added just 1.5. So how on earth am I adding more to actually fit 1 whole cup? I'll just guess. So yeah, very good start, as you can see. Yeah, just a little bit. I mean, little bit. It feels like baking or something, even though I don't really like baking, but yeah, for this, worth a try. 1.5 cup of acetic acid. Whoopee! 1.5 cup of epsom salt. Ooh. And 1.5 cup of corn flour or cornstarch. So again, more white. Woo! I mean, this kitchen looks already like a mess. So I just heated up 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Whoopee! So this is the first. And the second tablespoon. I mean, guys, it says to whisk them straight away, but I didn't prepare in time my bloody ingredients, so it's not gonna be okay. I mean, we're already failing. We're failing so bad. Next step of the recipe is says to divide all of this mixture in 4 bowls. So I already have all of them here. But yeah, one more important thing, just make sure you don't add here any wet ingredients, because the bicarbonate soda is gonna start to very, very bad. So careful with the liquids here. So after dividing the mixture in 4 equal bowls, here starts the most exciting part, or at least for me the most exciting part. So now I'll have to add the food coloring. I mean, you can mix them in like more bowls than 4, but like I have tons of essential oils I can use, but I have just like 3 colors of like food coloring. 3 colors of food coloring. Yeah, and I think I'll go, I mean, obviously I'm gonna use all of this, and I have like tons of essential oils, so that's gonna be a little bit tricky. But yeah, it just doesn't say how much food coloring shall I add, so that's gonna be a little bit ooh. Oh, that smells really beetrooty. I mean, it says like no any artificial coloring, so. But the thing is, like, how much shall I add? That is tricky. I mean, I'm just gonna use like 1.5 tablespoon, like 2.5 milliliters. Okay. Let's make some color. Whoopee! And I'm gonna add, what oil shall I add? I'm gonna add eucalyptus. Okay, started to fizz already. Ooh la la, that is gonna be very interesting. So I'm gonna add some eucalyptus. It says like 1. Okay, and just, I guess, mix really well. It smells really nice. I mean, this is like pure essential oil. So if you use this, just use 1 drop because this stuff is really smelly, trust me. But see, I think the trick is, what do you add first? Like, do you add the oil or do you add the food coloring? Because I guess you actually add the oil because the oil is no watery, so the thing is not gonna get fizzy. But this time I did it like all the way around, so let's try it different. So I have here another bowl, and I'm gonna use another essential oil, the lavender. I absolutely love the lavender, so I think it's one of the best smells ever. Like, it relaxes you so much. I just add 1 drop. I think I'm gonna choose the natural blue, you know, actually blue, very close to the lavender, like purplish kinda. So I think it actually matches the color with the scent, which is pretty cool. And let me add some coloring. Ooh la la, that's pretty cool.
2 hours later.
So guys, this is how they're supposed to look like, wet sand kinda. This is the pinky one, the bluish one. I mean, I don't remember actually what essential oils I used and the color mixing, but yeah, it's kinda going that way. Here's where the fun part starts. So I'll have to fill these eggs. I'm supposed to fill all of them and wait for like 30 minutes. Okay.
1 eternity later.
Okay guys, moment of the truth. It's been more than 30 minutes and I'm super duper excited to see if I actually have here proper Easter bath bombs or it's just a complete mess. So, well, let's do this. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. This is ridiculous. So quick update guys, I actually managed to do the eggies, so you can see how they turn out here. I mean, I don't think they look really bad. As you can see, they look like a proper Easter DIY bath bombs, which look like really cool. This is the first one. Here is how it looks, the second one, the bluish one. I mean, I don't think they look that bad, to be honest. I think it's freaking cool. I'd suggest next time to use more mixture and actually to make sure that you like fill completely the thing, don't leave it out, because yeah, that was my mistake. And what I did is actually left them for a couple of minutes, I mean half an hour in the freezer. But anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to subscribe, smash a huge thumbs up, and yeah, if you want to see more failures and more crazy stuff, then stay tuned. See you next time. Bye.